Taralang sujutang aklamalong dumahi ke kan ke paklang pen drama la pen dumahi ke kan sike ke pajut. Amtereng Pastoral Presbyterian Church Amonduli atumpen 2019 aningkan abha ningkan esek amaipi ke paman. Chuki hola along bas ka chong hong adim mate waiting seat kangpu. Karbi prime tang pen kadu ko be phanta karnom pajil non be tang ton pen arjik tha. Taralang sujutang klam along arkoi create rock arni pen kepang cheng drama la pen doma hi ke kan aseke arkoi inko rahini arni pajut pon tanglo. Karbi Autonomous Council Cultural Affair Karbi Cultural Society la pen Karbi Film Society kachelang pen taralang sujutang klam along arkoi create rock arni pen kepado drama la pen doma hi ke kan aseke arkoi inko rahini arni pajut pon tanglo. Laso apartment Karbi Autonomous Council jutang asaihem IEM Rup Singh Teron Chipahimpu Ponsi Pahinia seke kepajut amai pado PWD EM Mongol Singh Timung Alui Sarpo aman pen cetong dun Alangdi Alui Sarpo alam the along kaning jeke Thoi inglong akarbi akhe ajutang isivet nangji Mayalong KCS amai po Chandra Singh Kro Konchun bang Bidyan Singh Rongpi Film Director Dhuniram Tiso Juta Saikam Deputy Director Himari Tokbi Pen Jenglok Pen an Karbi Film Society amai pu akonjun bang atumta cetong dun Nongnam kedo Rajiv Kro Lapen NSD Pen Kiun Abang Pi Pranami Bora Atumsi drama mate Lamkan apu thakseke piponlo Halapu domahi akekan Abang ke Kamruk Asor Surjo Kiling Lapen Arisangho Atumsi seke pipon
হয় এই ওয়ার্কশপটি 7 দিনীয়া ওয়ার্কশপ তেওঁলোকৰ আৰু তেওঁলোক খুব ইন্টাৰেষ্টেড আৰু
Jaligat hem chile rok nama ke kanang bichiting ni ramde.
Mai chengchi aprang jutang sai kama deputy director Himari Tok BC kachetong arara phan than pachini Chinthong MSC ke parlo Amtereng Pastoral Presbyterian Church Amondolia Tumpen 2019 aningkan abaha ningkan esek amai pi ke paman pon abirta non henjo pherang ke pen card news asa hemalong birta nang pale Thangmo Presbyterian Amondolia long arkoi ni phai trainer cap arni pen ni phai engkoi arni an ni thom ahorman insam jin pen Jisu Kristo aphan kangduk la pen cardom insam jin pen pachun pon bangso long arna malam kethana tum birsingkri Presbyterian Amondoli pen Ildar Singh Timung Sangpi Diana Mirikpi Ildar Nivel War Reverend Brandley Timung pen Chenglok pen ana tum chetong dun Korin chapter 1 verse 27-28 along pen kethana abang Reverend Brandley Timung labang so Paul hot birsingkri Amondoli pen Presbyterian Church Arisunim so atum pen Jisu Kristo aphan Kero Karcho alun cheto parjupon lapen bang so along Langlongku Mondoli Chupi Langso Mondoli Thangmo Mondoli Risunin so atum penta Jumesan alun cheto radaphan Parjupon lo Karna mapan kangduk lapen karnom along Bang pharo phok susi armu chetong dun Kedam tanga sarkar mate Congress atum pen Karbi Autonomous Council kacharia khut irrigation asai kamalong kuti atangka kachupanglim akoi keklang lapuson tak si puthot kachupangling oputhak keklang thuji angring Karbi Autonomous Council along Congress atum chari bom ahut mate CM tuliram rong hangke japon ahut irrigation asai kam along thelo thangnat asai claim clip pin pen tangka kechupanglim kilit nai pukar bianglong angkang chethang club anpin lo hala so ahut hemisi mate CM rong hang atum hemisi amen pen kuti atangka irrigation asai ke claim amen pen tangka ke panglim akoi klang lo anparta hala so ahut madua munita amen klang dun desi CM rong hang atum hemisi chirai detsi pinan atangka artok lo puta akoi klang laso lam ki puthot nage klang thuji angring card news asa hemalong kinang sot alo an nangkile thupen rat angno ke klang thuji angring nang do thulilo non malam support hon bertaw mong ton ponik sine
In continuation of this office notification number ADSDE 213/2013 to 2014-48 dat 12/9/2018, it is for information to all concerned that the office of the Additional Director of Sericulture Difu Karbi Anglong will hold interview Viva Voice for the post of grade 4 Chokidar under the Department of Sericulture as per program given below. No TADA will be provided by the department. The candidate should bring all their documents in original on the day of the interview. No separate call letter will be issued for interview via voice for the post of Chowkidar.
First time at DIFU, First International Trade Fair 2019 from 18 January to 30 January at DIFU Club. A huge branded and collection of handicrafts from different states of India such as Delhi, Kashmir, Ludhiana, Haryana, Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh, Kolkata, Punjab, etc. A beautiful melamine kitchen items of Bangladesh are available here. You will get all the needful and householding accessories including food items here. There is no any fee required for entry. Simonjir Children Park cum picnic spot. A place to visit for sure. The park is filled with eye-catching flowers, some medicinal plants and nursery. A perfect place for your children and family. For more queries, please contact 91014 33731 93652 07012. Simonjir Children Park, Chirikangnet, Ward number 4, Depot, Karbi Anglong.
Please step in Rose Gold, a newly opened beauty parlor, one step to the world of fashion. All kind of facilities are available here such as hair spa, bleaching, makeup, pedicure and manicure, hair perming, straightening, body spa, facial, threading, waxing, etc. For more information, please contact 6001 863 460. Rose Gold, a newly opened beauty parlor, first floor, Cakes Legacy Building, Main Market, DIFU. Aturkimi Academy, DIFU, affiliated to CBSE, New Delhi. Admissions open for Montessori, LKG, UKG, class 1 to 9 for the session 2019 and 20. Facilities like boys and girls hostel, crash babysitter, art class on Saturday and Sunday. Registration forms are available at school office on all working days from 1st week of December 2018 from 8 am to 1 pm. Aturkimi Academy, DIFU, Rukasan, Amlapati, DIFU 782460. For more queries, please contact at the number given on screen. Free admissions for Montessori students sponsored by Aturkimi Society.
Ganj Assam Hill Small Industries Development Corporation pen Arniwang Hemalong akinang sa Lahormu Ason Salam Pontanglo. La senang tum arniwang kenang sot kecuason la penthesri alang hithi kulat along longpon ikji kang sirtang kejun alang tharwe alang theso alang kecu ajam tu tharmit aduk thelua kreng chitronola upthor pen chenglok ong dung hemalong akenang sot hormu longpon ikji
Dinamo pibutat bertalong wang thulo Nilip constituency ke parlo angkang chuki hola along arkoi niphai engkor ACR ni G20 Assam CAP 2018-2019 ab happen chuki hola along bas ka chonghong adim mate waiting seat kangpu pon abirta pherang ke ben card news as hemelong birta nang pale bas ka chonghong ahem mate waiting seat 20 BN CRPF commandant RD Jenny Pensi ingpu pon lo bangso kangpu pon ajai mek along Rajpal Yadav assistant commandant Kapil Dev HHO Chokihala Biren Sarma Nilip Video Satya Prabha Top BP GB SGB Pencheng Lok Penat 20 BN CRPF Asatu Adumta Chitong Du
गवर्नमेंट ने भी हम लोग को बहुत ख्याल देता है कि हम लोग मीटिंग में ऐसा बार बार बता है कि रिमोट एरिया में जाके वहाँ का गरीब लोग को क्या ग्रीवेंसेस है कम्युनिकेशन का ग्रीवेंसेस है और स्कूलिंग का ग्रीवेंसेस
Sat gangolong hempu adorom arna maphan pingdeng krisir kep ke chok arni arkoi ni pha engkor ACR ni karcho ajai me ke pador pone berta pherang ke pen card news asa hemalong berta nang pale Labangso karcho ajai mek along youth amai phu Mongol Singh terang pen patil pi pon si labangso asai mesen pen pachun pon lo lapen pinchong gurusar Durmohon Kram Sapen Ardom Ardi Ponsi Archo Ponlo Anparta Penan Hempu Adhorom Kekro Eradatu Chitong Don Sikarcho Jamek Along Ardi Pidun Karbi Prime Time Lepan Sikang Ton Poningla Dume Thangme Kurwang Tu